Plant profile, tall sedum. There are two general types of sedums for the garden: creeping sedum ground covers and tall sedum. The tall type grows between 1 to 3 feet high and performs best in full sun locations with well-draining soil. They thrive through summer's dry heat and are extremely drought tolerant. There is no need to fertilize this plant. If you do, the growth can become leggy and flop over. The tall sedum varieties work well as border perennials or can be planted in groups to give a mass effect. They combine well with ornamental grasses, asters, and echinacea. The taller upright varieties of sedum typically develop large flower heads in midsummer and bloom from late summer through fall. The flowers can be left to dry and stay on over the winter to provide seeds for wildlife. Sedums are an easy perennial for even the novice gardener. They are low maintenance, requiring virtually no pruning to shape. They make good cut flowers, attract pollinators, and are a great addition to any landscape. Sedum Autumn Joy is a classic selection. Some of the newer selections to try include those with darker purple leaves like Vera Jameson and Purple Emperor, or bright variegated foliage like Frosted Fire, or yellow flowers like Lemon Jade. It is very easy to divide and propagate tall sedums. Much like the other members of its large succulent family, you can pull out a few stems, strip off the leaves, and simply stick them in the ground. They will form new roots within a few weeks. Try a sedum in your garden today. You can grow that.